Top 3 best rice you must eat to repair kidney and flush out toxins fast. Did you know that your kidneys are currently filtering approximately 200 quarts of blood every single day? Yet for millions of seniors, one simple dinner staple is quietly turning this vital process into a toxic struggle. It is a staggering reality that over 37 million Americans are currently living with chronic kidney disease, and many remain completely unaware until the damage becomes severe. For many of you, the fatigue, swelling, and brain fog you feel isn't just a sign of aging, it is the result of your kidneys fighting a losing battle against inflammatory sugars and a lack of protective nutrients. However, what if the solution wasn't a complex diet, but a simple swap of the grain already sitting in your pantry? In the next few minutes, we are going to reveal the top 3 varieties of rice that are scientifically proven to flush out accumulated toxins and actually repair kidney tissue faster than most medical professionals ever discuss. Before we dive into these life-saving grains, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with a loved one who needs to protect their health. 1. Basmati rice, the gentle hydrator with a gut-healing secret. Basmati rice is widely recognized as the gentle grain for seniors because it offers significant nourishment without placing the heavy filtration stress on your body that common white rice does. One of the most critical reasons this rice is a kidney-friendly superstar is its medium glycemic index, or GI, of 56 to 69, which is significantly lower than standard short-grain varieties. This lower GI means that glucose enters your bloodstream at a controlled, steady pace, preventing the sharp sugar spikes that over time act like sandpaper on the delicate, tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys. When these vessels remain smooth and healthy, your kidneys can filter blood more efficiently, reducing the toxic backlog that often leads to fatigue. Research from the University of Delhi further supports that basmati rice maintains a balanced electrolyte profile, helping your kidneys manage water retention effectively and reducing that annoying morning puffiness in your ankles. I know it can be incredibly frustrating to feel like you have to give up your favorite comfort foods just to stay healthy, but basmati allows you to keep that delicious, nutty aroma while actually supporting your internal detox systems. A fascinating and truly little-known tip regarding basmati is its unique starch composition, specifically its amylase-resistant starch. Most people think starch is just a carbohydrate, but this specific type is not digested in your small intestine. Instead, it travels to your large intestine to feed beneficial gut bacteria. This is vital for seniors because a healthy gut directly reduces the production of nitrogenous wastes, the toxic byproducts that your kidneys would otherwise have to work overtime to filter out of your blood. By improving your gut-kidney axis, basmati rice essentially outsources some of the detoxification work to your digestive system. To make this even more effective, try a technique few use: cooling your basmati rice slightly before eating. This simple temperature change can further stabilize glucose release, easing the metabolic burden on your renal filters. Furthermore, another expert tip is to source aged basmati, which often has a lighter texture and a lower moisture content, making it easier for the senior digestive system to process without irritation. To maximize the flush, try the lemon ginger basmati detox bowl. Combine cooked basmati with grated ginger and a touch of lemon zest. The ginger aids digestion, while the lemon provides vitamin C to support detox enzymes in your liver, which works in partnership with your kidneys. Have you ever noticed that you feel a bit more energetic after a lighter meal? This is your body's way of thanking you for reducing its toxic workload, and switching to basmati is a beautiful way to start feeling that lightness again. Now, as gentle as basmati is, we must look at a powerhouse grain that the National Kidney Foundation calls a superfood for its ability to bind to waste. 2. Brown rice, the fiber-rich scrubber for your bloodstream. Brown rice stands apart as a master cleanser because it retains its natural outer layer, which is packed with the fiber and antioxidants that refined rice lacks. While some seniors avoid it because they find it heavy, This grain contains about 3.5 to 4 grams of dietary fiber per cup, which serves as a vital biological brush. This fiber performs a crucial task. It binds to waste products and cholesterol within your digestive tract, helping escort them out of your body before they ever have the chance to recirculate into your bloodstream. By physically removing these toxins, brown rice directly lightens the burden placed on your kidney filters. Furthermore, according to the National Kidney Foundation, whole grains like brown rice are excellent sources of magnesium, 86 milligrams per cup, which protects kidney membranes from inflammation and improves the elasticity of blood vessels. Research from the Harvard School of Public Health has confirmed that individuals who regularly consume whole grains show significantly improved kidney filtration rates compared to those who rely on processed white grains. It is truly heartening to know that something so affordable can provide the cellular energy your kidney cells need to perform their daily detox duties. However, many seniors worry about the mineral content in whole grains. Here is a rarely discussed tip. Although whole grains have more phosphorus and potassium, the phosphorus in plant-based foods is not absorbed completely by the human body. This makes it much safer for the kidneys than the hidden phosphorus additives found in processed foods. To enhance the flavor of brown rice without using kidney-damaging salt, use the toasting method. Heat the dry grains in a skillet on medium-high for several minutes before adding water. This releases a rich, nutty flavor while keeping your sodium intake and blood pressure low. Another expert-level tip to ensure your brown rice is as pure as possible is the parboiling with absorption method, PBA, discovered by researchers at the University of Sheffield. Instead of just rinsing, you boil the rice in pre-boiled water for 5 minutes, drain that water, which carries away over 50% of naturally occurring arsenic, and then finish cooking with fresh water on lower heat. This method has been scientifically proven to remove toxins while keeping most nutrients like B vitamins perfectly intact. For a complete cleansing meal, pair your brown rice with parsley and celery in a light soup. The celery acts as a natural diuretic, while the rice provides the deep cleansing power your kidneys need. It's about building long-term resilience and creating a cleaner blood environment so your kidneys can focus on healing rather than just surviving the day. But as impressive as brown rice is, there is one rare variety that was once reserved only for royalty because its ability to flush toxins and repair the body at a cellular level is simply unmatched. 3. Black rice, the magnet for toxins and cellular repair. Black rice, famously known as forbidden rice, is the undisputed king of kidney health because it contains a dense concentration of anthocyanins, the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries, but in amounts that are 2 times stronger. These deep purple pigments are not just for color, they are a multi-layered defense system that targets oxidative stress, which is the primary driver of kidney tissue damage as we age. A landmark 2022 study by researchers at Imam Abdul Rahman bin Faisal University found that black rice extract actually prevents renal dysfunction and renal fibrosis, the scarring of kidney tissue. The study demonstrated that higher doses of these antioxidants, particularly ferulic and synaptic acids, led to significant improvements in kidney function markers, total protein and albumin levels, essentially bringing them closer to the levels seen in healthy subjects. For those of you living in urban environments or taking multiple medications, black rice offers a highly valuable, little-known benefit. It has natural chelating properties. This means its molecules act like a cellular magnet, binding with heavy metals and metabolic toxins that often accumulate in a senior's body due to pollution or processed foods. By attracting and holding on to these toxins, black rice helps flush them out naturally through your urine and stool, preventing them from damaging your delicate renal units. Furthermore, the antioxidants in black rice improve capillary strength and blood vessel elasticity, ensuring your kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients they need for maintenance and repair. It is truly wonderful to see seniors rediscover their strength simply by choosing a grain that works with their body's natural healing rhythms. I understand that trying a black rice might feel unusual, but the vibrant purple color it turns when cooked is visual proof of the healing antioxidants entering your system. A pro tip for preparing this grain is to store it in dark glass jars. The natural pigments are extremely sensitive to light, and keeping them in a dark, cool place preserves their full antioxidant value for your kidneys. Additionally, try a black rice detox salad with fresh cucumbers and a splash of lemon. The high water content in cucumbers supports the flush, while the black rice works at the cellular level. You have worked hard all your life, and you deserve to have organs that function with ease, allowing you to enjoy your golden years with total confidence. Have you ever seen this rare grain at your local health food store, or noticed how energized you feel after eating deeply colored foods like berries? That's your body responding to the antioxidant power we're talking about today. Your kidneys are your body's silent guardians, but they cannot protect you if you continue to feed them the very toxins they are struggling to remove. If you ignore these simple dietary adjustments and continue to consume highly refined, inflammatory grains, you are essentially allowing a silent thief to steal your health, leading to a dangerous cycle of fatigue, swelling, and eventually irreversible kidney failure. Do not wait until your lab results come back with bad news. Start protecting your future today by choosing Basmati, brown, or black rice as your primary staples. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our life-saving health guides. And if this information helped you, please share your thoughts in the comments below. You won't want to miss our upcoming video, where we will reveal the exact timing of your daily water intake that can either supercharge your kidney detox or actually cause more harm than good.